Hi all, we are studying in this clip practice set number 1 of first lesson Geometrical Constructions. Practice set number 1, first question is there, draw line segments of the length given below and draw their perpendicular bisector, and first one is 5.3 centimeter. For drawing perpendicular bisector of a line segment, we have one question. If we want to draw perpendicular bisector of segment PQ with length 4 cm, we have to follow the following steps. Here, segment PQ is of 5.3 cm. For drawing the perpendicular bisector of it, first, with the help of scale, we draw a segment PQ of length 5.3 cm and mention the names to the end points of that segment as P and Q and length of segment also. Take a compass for drawing perpendicular bisector. Give the distance more than half in compass and take a pointer of compass on any one point of a segment and draw arc on both sides of segment. Here we draw from point P. Then, without changing the distance of compass, take a pointer of compass on other end point of segment and draw intersecting arcs with previous arcs. Give the names to intersecting points of arcs on both sides of segment. We give the names as point C and point D. Then, with the help of scale, draw the line passing through points C and D. Give the name to the intersecting points of that line and segment as M, and this is the perpendicular bisector of given line segment. Do the same steps for other two examples. Then question number 2 is draw angles of the measures given below and draw their bisectors. First one is 105 degree, second one is 55 degree, and third one is 90 degree. And we are seeing here only first one 105 degree. For this, with the help of protractor, draw an angle of 105 degree Celsius. Give the names to angle as A, B, C. Then take a compass, give suitable distance in it. Take the pointer of a compass on point B and draw an intersecting arc to both the sides of angle. Then take a pointer of a compass on intersection points of arc and both the arms of an angle one by one and draw two intersecting arcs in interior part of an angle. Give the name to this intersection point as D and draw an arc through point B and point D, and that ray BD is an angle bisector of an angle ABC. Do the practice of drawing the angle bisector. Give an angle with any measurement and try to follow the steps which have done here by us. Then question number 3 is here. Draw an obtuse angle triangle and a right angle triangle. Find the points of concurrence of angle bisectors of each triangle. Where do the points of concurrence lie? Here we have to find the point of concurrence, that is, we have to draw all three angles bisectors of triangle. Here obtuse angle triangle is first, and obtuse angle triangle means any one angle of the triangle should be greater than 90 degree. And as we draw angle bisector above in question number 2, we can draw all the three bisectors of angles of given triangle. And point I is point of concurrence. Second triangle of question number 3 is right angle triangle. We know the right angle triangle means one angle of triangle should be of 90 degree. Then here also we draw all the three bisectors of angles of triangle as we draw above, and point of concurrence is I, and point of concurrence I lies in interior part of the triangle. Then question number 4 is here. Draw a right angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of its sides and where does the point of concurrence lie. For this, draw right angle triangle as we know. Then draw perpendicular bisectors of all these three sides of given triangle. Point of concurrence is here point I, and point I lies on hypotenuse of the triangle. Question number 5 is here. Maithili, Shaila and Ajay live in three different places in the city. A toy shop is equidistant from the three houses. Which geometrical construction should be used to present this? Explain your answer. Here, Maithili, Shaila and Ajay live in three different places in the city. Assume their houses are vertices of triangle MSA. A toy shop is equidistant from the three houses, that is vertices of the triangle. That is, that vertices lie on a same circle, and center of a circle, that is point of concurrence of triangle MSA, should be intersection point of perpendicular bisectors of all three sides of triangle MSA. That is, we have to construct here the perpendicular bisectors of all sides of triangle MSA. Let us see this diagrammatically. This is Maithili's house, this one is Shaila's house, and this one is of Ajay's house. And the toy shop is equidistant from these three houses. As we say above, that houses are the vertices of triangle MSA, and toy shop, which is equidistant from these houses, that is vertices, is point C, and here point C is point of concurrence. We are seeing here a diagram of circumcircle of a triangle MSA. And for that we have to construct perpendicular bisectors of all three sides of triangle MSA. Okay, so in this clip we solved the practice set number 1 of first lesson. Thank you.